The major issue with the $100 billion automotive component sector in India is its quality control process being labor and time intensive and also being prone to human errors. We at Team Tested OK are working on automating this quality control process, improving efficiency and reducing product cycle time and operation cost at a significant rate. This is Kaushik working on a unique illumination system which would aid the machine vision algorithm to detect surface and topographical anomalies even in a small glossy metallic surface as small as this. This is our proof of concept with our unique illumination system along with a machine vision camera connected to a PC.
Photographing glossy metallic surfaces could get tricky when it comes to the lighting part. Thus, our novelty resides within our unique illumination setups within our POC. Our first illumination setup goes by the name of Cloud Day Illumination, which provides shadowless uniform lighting to the glossy metallic surface. This is the same metallic surface which you saw in the previous slide, and you could see that the crack is pretty visible under our Cloud Day Illumination lighting. Our second lighting setup goes by the name of Running Zebra Lighting, which casts a uniform pattern onto the glossy metallic surface, which helps the machine vision algorithm to differentiate even three-dimensional anomalies using a two-dimensional image. As you could see in these two pictures, you could easily differentiate the differences in the pattern between a good metallic surface and a metallic surface with a three-dimensional deformity. We are patent pending for these two illumination setups.
This is Amin working on the machine vision algorithm behind our proof of concept which would detect the surface and topographical anomalies using NICE LabVIEW. This is Divya working on an intuitive dashboard to the end user, visualizing the defect data from NICE LabVIEW in real time.
Talking about the business potential, the automotive component sector in India is held together by its low-level MSME suppliers, and 50k of such MSME suppliers exist in and around Coimbatore alone. Automation giants weren't able to provide a low-cost quality control automation system tailored to their needs, thus which puts our serviceable addressable market at around $9 billion, which is completely untapped.
We are currently co-creating this minimum usable prototype with a Tier 1 MSME supplier, and we are looking forward to scale this up to multiple use cases. Thank you.